Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, if you have a BMW E46, which is the BMW 3 Series, guys, from 1998 to 2006, and you're guys trying to find the fuse for the traction control or the ABS, stay with us, guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuses. You actually have like 7 fuses for the traction control and ABS. Both of the systems work together, so they share quite a few fuses, and we'll show you where each of the fuses is located. So stay with us, guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on BMW E46. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. In return, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So the fuse, guys, is located inside the car. Okay, let me show you now where it's located. We need to go ahead, open the door, passenger side. Okay, and we will need to go ahead, okay, and open the glove box. Open your glove box. Once you empty your glove box, okay, right here on top, okay, let's come like that in an angle a little bit. Yeah, perfect. You can see those white things. You need to turn them like this. And those are, guys, your fuses. Okay, they will drop and you can access them like that now. So we'll, guys, explain which fuses are for the traction control and which are for the ABS now. So the first fuse, guys, that we need to check will be fuse number 12, guys. And this is your fuse puller right here. Just get it out like that. And fuse number 12 will be, okay, 1, 2, 3, the third fuse. Okay, 14, 15, 13, the fourth fuse. Okay, this fuse right here, 7.5 amp fuse, is one of them. Okay, this is one of the fuses, guys. And how you grab it, okay, you just go like that with the puller, pull it out, okay, check it out. I'm going to show you guys how to test those, okay. We'll have a video that explains how to test fuses if you cannot see if they're burned, but this one is definitely good. So this is one of the fuses. Okay, the replacement fuses, guys, you can find listed in the description of the video below for a really good price. So this is one of them. What about the other fuses? Now you guys have fuse number 33 as well. Fuse number 33, guys, will be on this side, will be the second fuse, okay, from right to left. Then you have fuse number 40. Okay, number 40 will be the third fuse right here. This is for the traction and ABS as well. You have fuse number 42, which is a 30 amp fuse right here. And after that, guys, okay, you have fuse number 53. 53 is super easy. It's the first fuse on the right side of the fuse puller. Then we have fuse number 56, which will be 53, 54, 56, 56, this 30 amp fuse right there. And then you just have one more fuse, guys. One more fuse will be fuse number 61. So if this one is 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, it will be, guys, okay, this fuse right here, that 30 amp, okay, that 30 amp fuse again, guys. So those are, guys, the fuses. If you have a 4-wheel drive, okay, you may have fuse number 35 as well. That's additional fuse, but for the 2-wheel drive, those are the fuses. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.